friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to make granny squares. These squares can be used for blankets, baby blankets, for bed throw or for a table runner. So enjoy learning. The things that you require for the project are a yarn of your choice, pair of scissors and a hook of 9 mm. So let's begin. At first, we have to make a magic chain like this. Now, we will make chain 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now, the next step is to join these chains here with slip stitch. Now, chain 1, 2, 3, which will work as a double crochet. In the circle we have to make 11 double crochet now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and this is 11. Now join these stitches here with slip stitch. Again we have to make 1, 2, 3 chains, and in the same loop we have to make one more double crochet, chain 1. Now in the next double crochet below we have to make 2 double crochet followed by a chain. Again double crochet 1, 2, chain 1, 1, 2, chain 1, 1, 2, chain 1, and this is how we have to complete the circle. When the circle is complete, join here with slip stitch. Now chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Skip these 2 double crochet and join here with slip stitch. Again we have to make chain 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip these 2 double crochet and join here with slip stitch. Again chain 1, 2, 3, 4. Join here with slip stitch. After skipping these 2 double crochet. Now again we have to make chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And we have to join here with slip stitch. Chain 1, 2, 3, 4. Now join here with slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Join here with slip stitch. So we have to make chain 12 and we have to skip 2 double crochet. Then we have to make 4 chains by skipping 2 double crochet and then again 4 chain, and then we have to make 12 chains. In the same way we have to complete a circle. This is how we have completed a circle. Now the next step is to make chain 1, 2, 3 and 5 more double crochet. 2, 3, 4, 5. We have to make chain 2, 1, 2, and again we have to make 6 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we have to join in these chain with slip stitch, and we have to make chain 1, 2, 3, 4 and join in these chains with slip stitch. Again we have to make double crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, chain 2, double crochet 6 again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have to join here with slip stitch, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and join here with slip stitch again. So in this way we have to complete the circle following the same pattern. When the round is complete, we have to make single crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to reach this point, and now we have to make chain 3 and double crochet 1, 2, 3, 4. Now in this loop we have to make 2 more double crochet 1, 2. So there are 6 double crochet. We have skipped 2 double crochet here and make extra 2 double crochet in this loop. Again chain 2. In the same loop we have to make 2 more double crochet 1, 2 and 4 double crochet here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have to make chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and we have to join here with slip stitch. Again chain 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to skip these 2 double crochet, and in the third one we have to make double crochet 1, 2, 3, 4. In this loop we have to make 2 double crochet 1, 2 and chain 2. Again we have to make double crochet 1, 2 and 4 double crochet here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now chain 1, 2, 3, 4, join here with slip stitch. Again chain 1, 2, 3, 4, skip these 2 double crochet and begin from here. In this way we have to complete one more round following the same pattern. When we have completed the round, we'll join the chain here with slip stitch and single crochet 1, single crochet 2. Now we have to make 3 chains here and double crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2 double crochet here, 1, 2, now double crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, chain 1, 2, 3, 4, join here with slip stitch, again chain 1, 2, 3, 4, join here with slip stitch, chain 1, 2, 3, 4, and skip these 2 double crochet. In the third one we have to make double crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, and in this loop we have to make double crochet 2, 1, 2, chain 2, double crochet 1, 2, and 4 more double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now chain 1, 2, 3, 4, join here with slip stitch, chain 1, 2, 3, 4, join here with slip stitch, again chain 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep on to continue the pattern till the round is complete. When the round is complete, we have to turn the pattern, make single crochet 1 and single crochet 2. Now turn the pattern again. We have to make 2 chains and 1 double crochet. Again we have to make double crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
so really you ain't gonna
7,
hit me back, yeah. Now
8.
it's all just you got me on
So now we have
blast,
made 10 double crochet.
yeah.
Chain
I've
2.
been done.
Again in this loop we have to make 2 more double crochet, 1,
Ooh, go and
2.
say it like a mantra. You know what you want, do ya?
Now we have to move on with making
Oh, hell no, I
double
won't
crochet
be the monster,
1,
no matter what you tell
2,
yourself.
3,
Should've known that we
4,
could never be friends. I hear you
5,
just thought we could, but we could never be friends.
6,
We could never be friends.
7,
We could never be friends.
8. So there are 10 double crochet. Now we have to make chain 1, 2, 3, 4,
You feel a type of
join
way,
here with
but
slip
that's
stitch,
fantastic.
1, 2,
Nothing to
3,
something,
4,
and now it's drastic.
and in this loop we have to make
We're so done.
double crochet 1, double crochet 2,
Having fun.
3,
Go and say it like a
4,
mantra. You know what you want, do
5,
ya?
6,
Hell no, I won't play the monster, no
7,
matter what you tell yourself.
8,
You should've known
9,
we could
10.
never be friends.
Chain 2,
Hear you
again
just thought we
double crochet 1,
could never be
2,
friends. We could never be friends.
3,
We could never be
4,
friends. We could never,
5,
never,
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Chain 1, 2, 3, 4. Join here with slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and continue making double crochet 10 from here. In this way, we have to complete the round following the same pattern. Again, when the round is complete, turn the pattern, single crochet 1, single crochet 2. We have to make chain 2, double crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Chain 2. Again in this loop we have to make double crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now we don't have to make any chains, but without making any chains we have to continue from here, making double crochet 1, double crochet 2, and again continue making double crochet on double crochet below. In this way we have to keep continuing the pattern till we reach the next corner. Again we have made double crochet 2 in the same loop, chain 2 and double crochet 2. Now we have to continue making double crochet on each double crochet below. Now we have reached this point. We'll make 2 more double crochet in this loop without making any more chains. We have to continue making double crochet 1, double crochet 2, and we'll continue making double crochet till we reach the next corner. So keep on continuing the pattern till you complete the round. When the round is complete, we have to join the round here with slip stitch. Now we have to complete one more round by making single crochet on each stitches below, like this. Complete the round making single crochet till the end of the round. Now we have completed doing single crochet around the square. The granny square is now complete. You can make as many as granny square that you require for your bed cover, for table runner, and so forth and so on. Thank you so much.